CFA Level 1. Level 1 consists of 10 topics: quantitative methods, economics, financial statement analysis, corporate issues, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments, portfolio management and wealth planning, ethical and professional standards. Today we will start from the first topic, quantitative methods. The quantitative methods have been divided into two sessions. The study session 1 that will consist of 3 readings. The study session 2 consists of 4 further readings. So quantitative method 1, reading 1, the time value of money. The time value of money, relationship between present value of cash flows and the future value of cash flows. Study session 1, reading 1, quantitative methods 1, the time value of money. The first topic is interest rates. We begin from the interest rates. This is the basic concepts of interest rates. Interest rate can be interpreted with the required rate of return, discount rate, opportunity cost. So start from the required rate of return. Required rate of return, the minimum rate of return an investor must receive in order to accept the investment. So required rate of return is the minimum rate of return, not the maximum. So let's clear the concept with the help of example. This is example related to the future value of a single cash flows and related to the time value of money. When any amount that have been deposited somewhere at the zero means today, and any person who will receive after year 1, year 2, 3 and some more year 5, this is called the future value. The example is Mr. John deposited the amount of 100,000 into bank for 5 years and bank gives 10% interest compounded annually. After 5 years, Mr. John want to receive his amount. Calculate the future value of the amount. So first we want to calculate the future value of the amount. We have two choices. First, with the help of the formula. The formula is mentioned on the screen. The first part of the formula is future value, and this is the present value of the formula. Multiply with the compound factor. So let's enter the data. So present value is $100,000. Interest rate is 10%. And number of period is 5 years. So you will get the answer of $161051. So we have next alternative choice we can do with the help of chart. This chart consists of 5 columns. The first column concerned with the years. The next column concerned with the principal amount. Third one is rate mentioned. Fourth one is the amount of interest, and finally the value of future value. So year 1, Mr. John deposited 100,000. This is the principal amount. The bank will apply the rate of interest is 10% compounded annually, and at the end of the year 1, the bank will calculate the amount of interest is 10,000 and that deposited in the account of Mr. John. So at the end of the year 1, the future value would be 110,000, and at the beginning of the year 2, the principal amount would be changed. 100,000 plus this amount of interest have been added, so the principal amount would be 110,000. Again, the 10% rate would be applicable. So the amount of interest have been changed from 10,000 to 11,000. And at the end of the year 2, the future value is 121,000. So this concept is going on with the year 3, 4 and 5. At the end of the year 5, the total accumulated amount is $161,051. So Mr. John deposited 100,000 at the time period 0. This is called the present value, and the total accumulated interest is 61,051. And after the year 5, at the end of the year 5, the future value is 161051.
Everything you need to pass the professional certifications. CFA CMA FRMA CCA certificate in IFRS. WhatsApp number +92334 337 5070. BIZSolutions.com. CFA qualification that increase your financial analyst skills for level 1, level 2 and level 3. BIZSolutions.com. The skills you need and the experience you want. When you need a candidate with expert skills, start your search with FRM. CMA qualification that increase your management accounting skills for Part 1 and Part 2. A career that's as flexible as you want to be. Certificate in IFRS that increase your financial reporting skills for Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 and Module 4. BIZ Solutions. Contact WhatsApp number +92334 337 5070. BIZSolutions.com.